Sa request na iba, right? And this is our business presentation for Crowd One, where impossible is nothing. Now, guys, just like what I've mentioned earlier, are you ready for Mixter? Yes, what if I tell you now that if you can join us tomorrow, okay, with this Netflix of gaming, how would you like to try it, guys? Gusto nyo po bang subukan? And the good thing, guys, how would you like to know also that we will both earn from this Netflix of games, and that will be through Mixer. Tonight, guys, will be the launching or will be the start of that invitation link that we all Crowd One members will receive. And this will be the start of us sending this invitation to all our friends out there. Kahit non-Crowd One members are all welcome. Non-Crowd One members can actually join us and enjoy playing these games through Mixer. So ito na yung simula, mamaya na natin i-discuss yung details niyan. Okay? So again, this is a Crowd One wherein this is the first company ever to connect e-learning, online gaming, and travel and leisure in a revolutionary way. Kakaiba yung ating ginagawa dito. Kaya most of you guys, lalo first time lang makakarinig nung presentation na to, medyo ibang-iba talaga compared to probably what you have heard before, especially when we talk about different MLM companies. Though we're one of them, pero we are using this what we call blue ocean business. Okay, so let us continue. Now, this business, guys, I 100% mobile business, which means hindi nyo kailangan ng maraming gadget. You don't actually need an office para gawin ang negosyong to. Saan kayo makakakita? Na sa cellphone lang, meaning kahit saan kayo pumunta, anywhere in the world, for as long as there is an internet connection, pwedeng tumakbo yung business natin. And this is what is really more exciting here. You will earn money directly to your mobile phone. Yes, and you can also do this through the comfort of your home. Pwedeng part-time lang. Through 2 or 3 hours a day, pwede na siyang mag-work yung business sa'yo dahil ginawa ko to initially doing that. Okay, and through this what we call technology, guys, okay, alam natin araw-araw umiikot, sabi nga umiikot ang mundo patuloy sa pagbabago. Hang on, let me go back to that page. So patuloy ang pagbabago dahil ang technology ang bilis mag-evolve. Actually, it has revolutionized our way of life, and actually it has made our lives even better and smarter. So pinagaan niya ang ating pamumuhay at mas marami siyang pinabilis, okay, na proseso using different apps like this. Alam natin na halos lahat ngayon ng mga businesses ay gumagamit ng mga apps because it is easier for people to get their services, to avail of their products dahil meron na silang apps. Simply, ida-download lang sa phone. Yun na yung technology ngayon eh. So as you are aware of, dito sa Philippines, meron tayong Lazada and Shopee for your easier shopping. And meron na rin tayong Grab, okay, na hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng taxi. Siya yung lalapit sa'yo. We also have Zoom, na hindi natin kailangan pumunta kung saan-saan. We just meet in just one place, Zoom. Wherever you are, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka pa, sama-sama tayong mag-uusap dito at pag-uusapan natin ang negosyong to. Ganito lang ginagawa. And that is part of these changes. Kaya ngayon, guys, talking about changes, kung naghahanap din kayo ng pagbabago, hindi lamang sa buhay nyo, kung hindi sa isang negosyo, ano na nga ba sa panahon ngayon ang pupwede nating gawin? Ang pupwede nating simulan? Yung tipong dapat wala namang kapareho. Kasi kapag magnenegosyo ka at parang tipong nakikigaya ka lang sa business ng iba, chances are kikita ka rin pero baka bahagyan na lang. Okay? If you really want to make a difference at kumita ng sobrang malaki, dapat medyo kakaiba. And here guys, I can assure you na ngayon lang ito nangyari. Ever since, sabi nga, ever since the world began, ngayon lang nangyaring may ganitong klaseng negosyo. You will be so much excited to know na sobrang laki yung chances na maaring mabago ang buhay nyo if you will just go with us. Now, let me introduce the name of the company. It is Impact Crowd Technology. Ang full website niya ay www.impactcity.com. Now, si impactcity.com ay may headquarters sa Madrid, Spain. So definitely siya ay isang Spanish company. And our company's vision is to create the world's largest, okay, distribution or largest sales force when it comes to distribution of apps, software, and services. And yun yung kaibahan natin compare dun sa iba na ang kanila pa ring concentration ay delivery of products, ang sa atin lahat naka-apps na and software. Kaya mabilis. Okay? We don't need a lot of manpower. Ito lang sapat na. And that is why we are also disrupting the apps and software industry. So next to it, since our company is based in Madrid, Spain, we are of course compliant with the European law and regulation. Importante ito na kung saan makukuha natin ang trust ng ating network. Okay, as well as our future investors and our future partners, even the legislators and the media people. Now, let me also introduce to you the people behind the company. So, we do have here our founder and our CEO. Simulan muna natin sa ating founder, Mr. Jonas Eric Werner. Siya ay galing sa Sweden, and Mr. Jonas Eric Werner is widely considered a network industry guru. He is our ICT's founder and chief sales director with over 2 decades of experience in network marketing. So andun yung expertise niya sa sales and development or management of fast-growing network organization. And he's also a natural leader and a visionary or business visionary. Now let's talk about our CEO, Mr. Johan Stefan Holstein is also from Sweden. And Mr. Johan Stefan Holstein, meron siyang tatlong malalaking unicorn companies na naitayo na. And these three companies, decades na rin ang binilang. Now, talking about unicorn companies, there are companies with multi-billion dollar revenue. Ganun yan siya napalaki. So, first company is Icon Media Labs, and this is an IT company with 3,000 employees and with branches in 21 countries. Icon Media Lab went to the public listing of New York Stock Exchange. Second company, iCube. This is one of the largest incubator in Europe. And the iCube went to the listing of Sweden Stocks Exchange with 100 in-house companies. Then third one is letsbyte.com. This is one of the largest shopping site in Europe. Letsbyte.com compared to if you are in the Philippines, ito yung parang Lazada na shopping site. However, of course, letsbyte.com is the largest in Europe. And letsbyte.com is already part of Germany Stocks Exchange. So there were three unicorn companies na nadala na ni Johan sa stock market, and we are so much confident that his plan of bringing us to Nasdaq in the next few years to come will be possible. Dadalhin din niya tayo sa Nasdaq at gagawin din niya tayong unicorn company. Well, that simply means that we all have a bright future with Crowd1. Come to think of it, kapag ka nasa stock market na tayo, and definitely tayo yung mangunguna na magiging stockholder, shareholder. We can buy shares. Okay? So with that, guys, rest assured na tama yung pinili nating company. Now, talking about Johan again, his background, ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng tiwala. Kaya ako nabuhay muli ang pangarap sa negosyong ito. Because this person, guy, was ranked by the World Economic Forum as technology pioneer. He was also ranked by Forbes International as global media innovator, and he's one of the top 50 most influential person from 1997 until 1999 in Sweden. And he was awarded for massive recognition and change the Swedish and European global technological climate. Indeed, pagdating sa technology and internet, si Mr. Johann Steven Holstein ang nangunguna. Given na yan. So andun yung expertise niya when it comes to technology, when it comes to stocks. Kaya rest assured guys that he can actually bring us as what we have promised. He can bring us to where we want to be. Okay. Now, let me also inform you here that under Impact Crowd Technology, this is our mother company. Okay. There were two entities. We have Crowd One Asia Pacific Incorporated, and we have Crowd One Network Limited. With Crowd One Asia Pacific Incorporated, ito lang yung nasa Philippines. Okay? And the license here for Crowd One Asia Pacific is only for customer service. So wala silang license for network, wala silang license for like multi-level marketing company. They're only here just to serve the customers. Okay? So next is we are now representing Crowd One Network Limited. And this is the company that owns fully the brand Crowd1, providing and building social network for online customers who are interested in products and services through third-party suppliers. Now, here is also our license. Okay, our license or registration is coming from RAC International Corporate Center, and this is a certificate of incorporation being awarded to Crowd1 Network Limited since July 14th of 2016. So in other words, guys, si Crowd1 prior doon sa official launching niya, Crowd1 actually started since January 25 of 2019. So 3 years in the making, andun yung preparation ng kumpanya. Can you imagine that? Ganun katagal yung uubusin mong paghahanda lang, even money, ganun kalaki yung gagastusin mo para lang maihanda ang lahat. Kaya bago pa ito na i-launch noong January, planchado ng lahat. There's already a game plan that no one can just easily destroy. So again, with Crowd1 Network Limited, we have license from RAC International. Now, sino ba si RAC ICC or RAC International Company? Now, this entity is actually the one responsible when it comes to business international, when it comes to managing and taking control of international businesses. Kapag meron ka nito, you are already allowed to operate internationally. Wala ka nang kailangan, okay, na mga permit or licenses locally. Okay, and another thing, guys, is that we are a digital company. Online lang ginagawa ang lahat ng ating transactions. Like this, meeting through Zoom. And another thing, guys, that is so much important for you to know is these two companies. Ito yung dalawang naka-back up kay Crowd1. We have Google or Android at we have Apple. Now, alam nyo ba na bago tayo na-approve ni Google, it took us 4.5 months before Crowd1 was released in Google Play. And it also took us 9 months of intensive background checking and legalities before Crowd1 was released in App Store. These two companies, guys, hindi sila basta tatanggap ng mga kumpanya na hindi muna nila kinilatis ng todo because they are a billion-dollar company and they would, of course, protect their name and even their consumers worldwide. At kaya naman nilang bumayad talaga ng mga lawyers, okay, kung gaano man kalaki yan. Okay, just to protect their name. Next, another thing, guys, is this what we call businessforhome.org. This is a blog site. At ito yung nagmo-monitor ng lahat ng galaw ng MLM companies all over the world. If you are familiar with different MLM companies, like Tupperware, like Mary Kay, like Usana, they are considered MLM companies. And alam nyo ba na dito nirarank kung sino yung mga top companies. Of course, there are a lot of them, thousands of them all over the world. Yung mga piling-pili lang. Now, you just have to go to businessforhome.org. Puntahan yung website na yan. It updates daily. Then go to Momentum Ranks and Alexa Ranks. Doon yung makikita kung sino yung mga nasa top ng mga companies dito. I'll just start with the 21st, yung nagra-rank ng pang 21, si Usana. Okay, this is also one of my favorite health supplement. Then we also have Forever Living, pero number 17 siya. We also have Amway, number 11, and New Skin, number 8. Now guess what? Sino yung number 1? It's Crowd1. And we are proud to say na hindi na tayo nawala dyan simula nung nag-number 1 na tayo. Kahit sinasabi natin, daily yung monitoring nila. Yung iba ditong mga companies, Amway, Usana, nag-iiba-iba yung ranking nila araw-araw. Crowd1 always maintain it to be the number 1. That's why we are the first and we are the largest and the fastest growing network in the whole world. Okay? So dyan pa lang ay sobra ng satisfied tayo, and we should be proud of that. Now, again, guys, all about Crowd1. Crowd1 is selling an entrepreneurial program including free Crowd1 rewards. It is a social community platform. This is a social network connecting people to selected merchants across the world. And Crowd1 is also using Bitcoin and Ethereum as an alternative payment method. Crowd1 is also sharing rewards with all our affiliate partners. And what Crowd1 is not, of course, Crowd1 is not selling shares. Walang shares na pinag-uusapan na ibinebenta. Though I mentioned earlier that there is a future plan of going to the stock market. Pero nasa future plan pa. Hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung mga next step. Okay? Then next is that we are not a gambling company. We are not an investment. We are not a lottery company. We are not a cryptocurrency or forex company. We are not offering investments, and we are not developing games. Now, what Crowd1 is? So Crowd1 again is a crowd marketing, is a digital advertising, and the online network marketing. Now, let me pause for this and let me just show you a short video. Hang on. Just for you to get an idea of what Crowd1 is all about.
Hello, and welcome to our 4-minute presentation on Crowd1. Firstly, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We are not an investment company, a trading company, or a cryptocurrency company. With us, you take full responsibility for your own financial situation. Now, let's get into a brief overview. What is Crowd1, and what is our company's mission? At this point, you've most likely heard about Alibaba. Today, I'll use Alibaba as a reference point to explain to you what we are doing. I'll also be referencing other popular companies like Uber and Booking.com. What is the main goal of these 3 platforms? These 3 different businesses all have one thing in common. They need customers, so they try to get as many customers as they can through a number of methods. For example, they use Google Ads and also run advertisements on TV, on magazines, and on billboards. As you can imagine, they each spend a lot of money to get the customers. What are the customers doing in response? Customers are incentivized by the ads and the Alibaba platform to buy products, which means that the customer pays money. What happens afterwards? The company delivers a product to the customer, and Alibaba gets a small commission. When customers order an Uber, Uber will get money. If a customer orders a hotel through Booking.com, the platform gets a cut. That's the simplest example which explains how the system works. Referral platforms are a great business venture that runs smoothly and easily. The point of this is that Alibaba doesn't own any of the companies that provide the products. They simply give other businesses an avenue to sell their products. Similarly, Uber doesn't own any of the individual cars, and Booking.com doesn't own any of the hotels that they offer to their customers. So, the basic point of what is happening here is just the referral of the customers to the products and service providers. Now, we've finally arrived at Crowd1. What is Crowd1? Crowd1 is actively using the network industry in order to build our own crowd. In other words, we are building a customer base. How do we do it? Through network marketing. Why? It's the best way to reach customers while enabling other businesses to make money. At Crowd1, we are offering a variety of different products and services as well. We have our own fantastic travel agency similar to Booking.com, where you can book your own hotels and vacations and even get the best prices guaranteed. But Crowd1 is more than just a travel agency. It's also an educational platform. As you're aware, basic education at the school makes basic money. If you want to make real money, you need to invest your time and funds into supplemental education and knowledge outside of the traditional school environment. We also offer our Affiligo affiliate system and an online gambling platform. It's a real gambling platform that hosts a number of popular games such as blackjack, baccarat, poker, roulette, and others. Soon, we will implement our Migster platform to host more social media games. Our platform presents a unique opportunity for customers to get everything they desire in one place. You can book your hotel in the comfort of your own office, participate in educational programs, and play games, all through Crowd1. Additionally, the profit that is coming into Crowd1 does not go fully to Crowd1. The profit goes back to what we call the Crowd1 reward system. This system is designed to benefit customers and keep them interested. You can collect Crowd1 rewards similarly to miles or points. When you fly with an airline, you gather miles. When you use a cashback program, you accumulate points that you can eventually redeem. This is what we are doing with Crowd1. We are using past referral platforms from this great industry as blueprints to create something bigger. Our company is committed to providing not only products and services, but real benefits to our customer base that will improve their daily lives. This is Crowd1.
All right, so this is all about Crowd1. So let us continue with our business presentation. Hang on, let me share my screen once again. All right. Um, okay na ba yung screen share? Okay, so since andito na siya, this is all about Crowd1. Now, since Crowd1 is the same with a regular platform, but we are a marketing platform. Medyo nyo lang ang kaibahan natin kay Facebook. Okay? We are a marketing platform, so definitely, kahit wala tayong sariling product na binebenta, but we are promoting other companies' product. Para bang nasa loob ka ng isang mall na kung saan maraming seller sa loob na iba't ibang company. With Crowd1, inside our platform, we have different companies. They are our partner. So first, we have a Go for online gambling or social casino. We also have Mixter, mobile gaming. We have Grit Hub for e-learning and lifestyle, life trends for travel and leisure. Now, first, let's talk about Go. Si Go ay isa ring platform na kung saan naglalaman siya ng maraming klaseng social games. Now we consider that as social games. I believe mapapalitan na to. We don't just consider it as a gambling company dahil ang mga taong nandito are just here to entertain themselves. That's why we call this entertainment games. So there was there's casino, we have bingo, baccarat, mahjong, and so many more. Now, the one that is so much exciting here is yung Epic Lotto. Si Epic Lotto ay paparating na rin by December. So can you just imagine guys na once na dumating si Epic Lotto, para kang may Lotto outlet sa phone mo, dala-dala mo yan. And can you just imagine kung gaano kalaki yung kikitain, yung dadalhin nitong perang na iaakyat sa lahat ng kasapi ni Crowd1. Yes, guys. Now, let us continue with the second company na ka-tie up ni Crowd1. We have Mixer. Mixer is the game developer with actually more than 1,000 social games na nakahanda ng i-launch by November. Though hindi siya lahat sabay-sabay. Probably it's batch by batch, like 400 games by November and the rest by January of 2021. Now, ang tanong dito, why is it that Crowd1 is partnering with game developers? Now, just so you know guys, nung 2019, ang gaming market was $151.9 billion. And this is also expected to reach to more than $265 billion by 2020. And just so you know as well, ang largest industry sa ngayon, especially during lockdown, ay both gambling and gaming. company or industry. And that is one reason why we are tying up with these companies. Now, the good news, guys, is that si Mixer, okay, eto na, may schedule na yung pagdating niya by November 14th. Available na ito para luruin ng buong mundo. Now, what it means to you being a Crowd One member. Now, being a Crowd One member, guys, any moment from now, darating na yung ating spinner. Ito yung mga invite links na po pwede na nating ipadala sa lahat ng ating mga kakilala, kaibigan, whether they are members of Crowd One or not. Kahit gamers lang yan. And we are so much happy to know na during the first 2 days lang, we already got 2 million registered members with Mixer. At papalaki ng papalaki pa ito pagdating ng ating invitation link, because that will be the time that we may now be able to invite non-Crowd One members. Yes, they will be allowed to play these games kahit hindi sila kasali sa atin. Now, the good thing is, every time they play the games, kikita at kikita tayo, especially yung kung sino yung nagpadala ng mga links. So, padamihan. Yung iba hindi na natutulog eh. They are really so much excited with this. Okay? So, abangan na lang natin. Okay? Nakaano tayo dyan, nakamata. And by 5 a.m. Philippine time, meron ulit continuation nung para na tong rally hanggang sa totally ma-launch si Mixer. So mamayang alas 5 madaling araw, let's all wake up for that. Okay, for the latest updates of Mixer. Anyway, let's continue. Another company that Crowdone is in tie-up with is GreetHub. Now, sino si GreetHub? Si GreetHub lang naman ang provider ng lahat ng mga e-learning materials. Nowadays, alam natin yung mga books hindi na sa bookstore na bibili, but sa online na, digital, kaya nga e-learning. But the good thing, yung e-learning natin dito ay all about finances, all about property, tungkol lahat sa pagpapayaman. I just wanna give you an idea, kasi yung iba, basta sinabi, I wanna buy the white package. Ano ba yung laman ng white package? And here are the details. So doon sa bronze education package, yun yung kasama. Once na bumili ka ng white package, and the subject or yung courses na available dito is all about real estate investment, real estate business. Kung gusto mong aralin tong negosyong to, andito. And what you don't need, education and experience, mindset, and pain and pleasure. We also have comfort zone, and ayun yung ating white package. Next is yung black package naman. Ano ba yung laman niya? It has silver education package na kung saan ang laman niya ay about attitude, possibility, repetition, humility, real estate 101, quick cash, and wholesaling, flipping, and property improvement. Ganon din kay Gold. Ano yung Gold Education Package? There are subjects like big rewards, building wealth, property management, and so many more. Kagaya na nakikita nyo rito. Actually, available ito doon sa dashboard nyo or doon sa inyong back office. Kung ano yung package na kinuha nyo, ito yung makikita nyo once you click see store and then go to GreetHub. Now, what about Platinum Education Package na kung saan kasama siya sa Titanium Package, and it has courses about lease to purchase, conventional purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, and we also have creating your plan, and so many more, dahil dito ay may paparating pa until December na idadagdag doon sa ating tinatawag na entrepreneurial package. Hindi na lang ito basta education, because that will also include different kind of tools na kailanganin natin sa business natin. But the good thing, guys, yung paparating natin na mga tools and other training materials are all for free. Okay, next, let's continue with another company. We have Life Trends. Life Trends is a travel company based in the US. And according to survey, ang travel industry ang second to the largest industry in the world. Kasi nga, ang first is the gambling and gaming company or industry. Second, ang travel. And the good thing, ang travel ang nakakapagbigay ng nakapag-generate ng more than 8.8 trillion US dollars in revenue. Siya yung nakapag-contribute ng 10% ng sa world economy. Now, a good thing, guys, dahil may tie-up si Life Trends kay Crowd One, okay, we as Crowd One members will have a lot of benefits pagka tayo, okay, ay nag-book sa mga hotels and resort na ka-tie up ni Life Trends. We actually do this training every Monday and Friday kung paano tayo mag-book kay Life Trends. Okay, now we will get 20% discount being a member. Now on top of that, kung tayo ay mayroong parang booking engine sa ating phone, para ka may travel agency where you can also invite non-Crowd One members, okay, para mag-book sa atin. With that, you will also have a separate income for that. Mamaya ko i-discuss siya. Now, another thing, merong isang option if you want to have a VIP membership. We call this Platinum, where you can also get as much as 80 to 90% discount kung ikaw ay traveler, kung palagi kang nagbabakasyon. This will be beneficial for you. Okay, we'll just discuss this in our training. So by the way, the price for now is actually $59 doon sa gustong mag-platinum. And this is a 12-month subscription. Now, originally $99 yan per month. That's for 12 months. Okay. Next, we also have these two regional products. We call it regional kasi exclusive lang siya dun sa countries. Like yung Safer, it's South Africa's fastest emergency response. Isa siyang app na naka-download sa phone ng mga taga South Africa. Of course, they avail of this product, and during emergency, whether health or security issue, okay, sinishake lang yung phone or may pinipindot lang silang button doon. Tapos darating na sa kanila yung rescue team noon. Of course, before that, tatawagan muna. And kung walang sumasagot, okay, that's the time na pupunta na sila dyan in minutes. Next is Tribute, which is also exclusive for the people of Nigeria. And this is more on lifestyle products, mostly mga perfume and other yung mga products, okay, that will fit the lifestyle of Nigerian people. Anyway, to continue guys, we are also excited to let you know na tayo ay nasa 11 million na. Probably mga ilang days na lang, mabibigla na lang tayo. Makikita natin, 12 million na tayo. Okay? And with that, guys, let me again explain how do Crowd One make money. Paano nga ba kumikita si Crowd One? Andito tayong 11 million members sa loob ng platform. And every time that we are availing of any of these products and services, mapa-travel man yan, especially with online games, with Mixer. Of course, these companies, si LiveTrends, si Mixer, kumikita yan once na nag-avail ng product ang mga members sa loob. Although hindi mandatory kasi may mga iba hindi sila naglalaro. Hindi po tayo persahang pinaglalaro dito. But we can just promote. Kasi every time we promote, of course, kumikita si company at kikita tayo doon ng extra. Now, as all of this, guys, okay, kapag kumita na dyan ang mga companies, yung kalahati niyan ibibigay nila kay Crowd One, being their partner. And si Crowd One, paano niya i-distribute yung income? 20% para sa running cost. Yung 40%, naka-allocate yan doon sa tinatawag na monthly residual income, and mamaya natin i-discuss sino yung magbe-benefit dito. Okay? And another 40% naka-allocate para sa Crowd One Rewards Pool. Yung Crowd One Rewards Pool ay i-distribute sa lahat ng member. Lahat-lahat. And this will be dependent on the number of Crowd One rewards that you have. Okay? Now, dito, palakihan ng rewards para malaki yung makuha natin share. By the way, what is Crowd One Rewards? Ang Crowd One Rewards, which is based on the sales from all around the world, ito yung mag-generate sa atin ng recurring earnings na ibibigay every quarter or every 3 months. So, kagaya nung nagdaang September 15th, then ang susunod ay December 15th. I just want to set your expectation na ngayong mga taon na to, wala pa masyado. Wag mo nang mag-e-expect kasi yung iba asa agad. Especially dun sa 6,000 pa lang na pinuhunan. Sobrang nag-e-expect ng milyon-milyon na kita agad sa profit sharing. My God. Hindi ganon. Okay? Kasi come to think of it, hanggang saan mo ba mapapalago yung 6,000 mo, di ba? And here, marami tayong nagsasama-sama. But of course, we are confident enough that by next year, mas magiging maganda na yung resulta ng ating profit sharing dahil sa Mixer at darating nating ilot. Okay? So, this is how you can start claiming rewards. Since ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay papaano tayo makikibahagi doon sa ibibigay na kita ni Crowd One. At the same time, ano pa ba yung mas malaking kitaan na pinag-uusapan dito? First of all, para maka-join ka, para ma-avail mo ang lahat ng klase ng kitaan dito, of course, you have to buy any of this entrepreneurial package, yun na yung tawag namin. Parang kumbaga nag-enroll ka sa isang kurso. Now, mamili ka lang. Which one do you want? Yung white, na kung saan siya ay merong bronze education package, and meron siyang kasamang 50 na crowd one rewards. Yun yung panghahawakan mo at magiging basis kung magkano yung makukuha mo sa profit sharing. Now, by the way, si white ay 99 euro or 6,000 pesos yan. Si black naman ay 299 euro or 18,000 pesos. At you will get bronze and silver education or entrepreneurial package. At meron kang kasama dyan na 150 crowd one rewards. Next ay gold package, which is 799 euro or 48,000 pesos. Meron kang tatlong packages, bronze, silver, and gold. And at the same time, may matatanggap kang 500 crowd one rewards. Next package is titanium, which is 2,499 euro or 150,000 pesos. At meron kang apat na packages, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum education or entrepreneurial packages. At the same time, meron kang 1,750 crowd one rewards. Yun yung makikita mong kaibahan, of course. The higher the package, the bigger your crowd one reward is. Kaya dito lahat. It's fine for you to start with white package. Ganun din ako dito. Nagsimula. Pero nung kumita na ako, hindi ako papayag na maliit na package lang yun na sa akin. At the same time, you will know it dun sa mga next few slides na the higher the package, mas malalim yung mga benefits na makukuha mo pa dito. I will discuss that. Now, guys, there is also a good news. Kasi right now, we are still under epic promotion na kung saan yung white na binili mo ang ibibigay sa iyo ni Crowd1, well, initially white pa rin muna upon signing up. But after few minutes, maa-upgrade ka niya. Kaya sinabing free upgrade to the next level, which is the black package. In other words, yung 18,000 pesos na package, binayaran mo lang sa 6,000. Doon pa lang panalo ka na. Okay? Na instead of you getting the 50 crowd one rewards, 150 yung matatanggap mo. But here's another thing, if you pay for the 18,000, ang ibibigay sa iyo syempre, initially is black, pero a-upgrade ka niyan after a few minutes sa next package, which is gold. Now, kung gold ang kinuha mo, ganun din, ma-upgrade ka after a few minutes to titanium, na kung saan sa 48,000 na binayaran mo, meron kang 1,750 crowd one rewards, yung package na tig 150,000. Pero ito yung mas maganda. During epic promotion lang lumalabas itong Titanium Pro na kung saan ang binayaran mo ay titanium, which is 150,000, pero ang makukuha mo ay yung Pro, which is amounting to 3,999 euro, or this is 240,000 pesos. Pero ang crowd one rewards mo rito ay 3,500 rewards. Now, meron pang isang shortcut actually, sa mga leader nyo na lang itanong. For only 36,000 pesos, ayun, 36,000 pesos and you can be a titanium package holder. Ayun yon. Tanong nyo na lang doon sa mga sponsors nyo. And on top of that, ano-ano pa yung mga kasama dito? At andito talaga yung labanan dito. Well, profit sharing, sabi nga, kung halimbawa yun lang ang inasahan mo rito, tapos nilakihan mo yung kuha mo ng mga entrepreneurial package, of course, you have a higher number of rewards, pero, okay, konti pa rin yan eh. Barya-barya pa rin lang yung profit sharing. Gusto nating i-maximize, eto yung trabahuhin natin. I'm telling you, napaka-doable neto. Okay? We have 7 kinds of earning. Dito na lang natin isa-isahin. Okay, first, we are talking about entrepreneurial package sales bonus, na kung saan ito yung mga binibili natin, and this is actually a mandatory. Ito yung required sa lahat ng gustong pumasok kay Crowd1 na kailangan niyang ma-enroll sa mga courses na nandito, which is all about pagpapayaman. Yes, because this company is also an education company and the mission is to ban the poverty in the whole world. Now, para malabanan ng kahirapan, again, hindi siya pwedeng sa pagbibigay lang ng malaking income. No matter how much you earn, kapag kakulang tayo sa financial literacy, sabi nga, mauubos din yung pera. That is why this education is so much important. So again, guys, this mandatory for us to get the package. Kung white ang mga nakukuha mo sa mga nai-invite mong kaibigan. Kasi what we do here is we just share the business. Pinakikita natin sa mga kaibigan natin, especially dun sa mga gusto nating tulungan. So when they come in, bibili rin sila ng package. Pag bumili sila ng white, meron ka diyang naiipon na mga points. May katapat ang bawat package. With white, may 90 points ka dyan. Business points yan na naiipon mo. And there is a chance for you to earn from this what we call binary bonus mula 18 euro hanggang 36 euro. Though it's showing in business points. 180 business points up to 360 business points. 10% yung kunin mo para yun yung equivalent niya sa euro. Okay? So, klaro. Next, kung black ang kinuha, may 270 points ka dyan na naipon and the binary bonus here will be 54 euro hanggang 108 euro. Kung gold ang kinuha, 720 business points ang naipon mo dyan. Ang binary bonus mo will be 144 euro hanggang 288 hanggang 2 um, hanggang 288 euro. Sorry. Then next is kung titanium yung mga nakuha mo, 2,250 business points at ang binary bonus mo dyan na potential ay 450 euro hanggang 900 euro. Bakit may ganon? May minimum hanggang maximum. You will know it sa mga susunod na slides. Okay. Once you have an account with Crowd1, bibigyan kanya ng binary account na tinatawag na meron siyang left and right. Okay. If you're familiar with this, naiiba dito kay Crowd1. We have three kinds of binary earnings here. Unahin natin si 1 is to 1. So from the word itself, 1 is to 1 means meron kang na-invite na isa sa kaliwa at isa sa kanan. And this is also a mandatory na para mag-activate yung lahat ng earnings mo rito, kailangan meron kang direct na na-sponsoran, isa sa left mo at isa sa right mo. Hindi pwede yung nandiyan ka lang nakisiksik ka, tapos manghihingi ka dun sa mga upline, sasabihin mo, ihakot mo akong tao, bigyan mo akong tao. Ano yan, bato? Pinulot lang sa kalsada, tapos lalagay lang sa ilalim mo. Parang nagdadama lang. Hindi ganon. Okay? We have to personalize. Kailangan tayo mismo. Because this is not all about earning money, guys. Okay? The moment you get or the moment you invited a person here, hindi mo lang siya basta pinakikita. You are actually starting to change that person's life. Okay? So let's move on. With that 1:1 ratio, papaano ka kikita dyan? Remember, 90 points ang naipon ng white, ang points ni right. And 90 points din ikaw sa left. Ayan, nagdoble na siya. Now, we simply add them together. Yung 90 plus 90 equals 180 business points or binary points. Then you will get 10% of this, 18 euro yung kita mo for every pair. Yung isang kaliwa mo at isang kanan. So yung second pair mo dito, maaring ikaw pa rin yung nagpasok. Since you are only allowed to get one on the left and one on the right, yung susunod mong mai-invite, sa ilalim mo na siya na ilalagay. Now, the advantage of being close to this person, kung kunyari, alam mo yung isang tao bago pa lang nagsisimula, samantalahin mo, ikaw agad ang sumiksik dun sa una niyang left o kaya sa una niyang right. Why? Kasi magtatrabaho pa yan. Yung iba niyang matatrabaho, ayan na yon, medyo mahahagisan ka. Ang tawag doon, spillover. And kapag meron kang spillover, of course, you are still required to get your own left and your own right. Pero at least marami kayong tulong-tulong. Okay? So this will be sabi nga, collaboration. Ito yung cooperation. Lahat nagtutulong-tulong, lahat will benefit from each other's effort. So every time na may nagpapasok dyan, whether kilala mo na siya o hindi, okay, maaring yung mga taong nagpapasukan dyan for as long as nag-prepare ang left and right, you always earn 18 euro na yan ay maaring invite na ng in-invite mo. Ng in-invite mo hanggang sa kaduluduluhan. Unlimited po ito. Okay, that is the 1:1 ratio. Let's go to the 1:2 ratio. This happens kung nauuna mong ipinasok. Let's say sa isang leg mo, si ate, siya lang ang kinuha mo. But si ate, pinasok niya yung kanyang husband. Direct niya yon. And even if itong direct niya na si husband, okay, ay hindi ikaw ang nag-invite, counted yung points niya under your right. So you now have a total of 180 points sa right mo. Saka ka palang kumilos sa left, 90 points yan. Ang tawag namin dito, iba-iba yung tawag babangga siya ng 2 beses, kakain siya ng 2 beses, tatama siya ng twice. It's up to you. Basta 1:2 ratio, ina-add lang yan. 90 plus 180 equals 270 points. 27 euro yan. Ang pinag-uusapan lang natin dito ay white package for easy computation. Okay? Pero kung black yan, of course, alam nyo na yung tuusan din. Anyway, mas maganda ang 1:3. Kasi dito, once na kinuha mo si ate, and then si ate kinuha niya si husband nagkumuha rin kaagad-agad, may mga ganyan kayong matitsyempuhan. I promise you. Meron akong isang grupong napuntahan. Kailan lang yan? Kinuha ko yung isa, kinuha niya yung asawa niya, yung dalawang anak niya, tas yung mga tita niya, yung tatay niya, pamangkin niya, lahat dumiretso ng Canada, isang batalyon, puro isang apelyido nasa GC namin. Ganun yung magandang matsyempuhan, parang isang honeybee, isang grupo. Now, with that guys, kahit isa pa lang yung tao mo sa right, basta lahat ng points na yan andyan naka-reserve, waiting na ma-partner dun sa nasa left. So dun sa left, saka ka palang kumuha ng isang white. Anong mangyayari using the 1:3 ratio? So yung tatlong points sa kanan mo na 270, idagdag sa 90, that's 360 points, and that will give you 36 euro na earnings. At yun ang strategy dito ng marami. They will first work on one leg. Pinadadami muna ng madami. Kasi nga, once na nagtrabaho siya dito sa kabilang side, edi ang tama na lang yan, every time na may isa lang pumapasok, 36 euro instead of 18 euro or instead of 27. So, ganun yung diskarte. Now, I would like to show you what we call projection. Yung projection na nito or assumption, this is actually working and this already worked with a lot of people. Since dito, lahat nakaprogram sa kumuha ng tig-apat. Okay? Dahil mamaya sa next few slides, makikita mo kung ano pa yung extra mong income pag kumuha ka agad ng apat. Now, dito sa una mong apat na kinuha, dito lang natin siya ipinakita ganito, but they are positioned like dun sa kaninang may binary. Okay? So, maaring 2 on the left, 2 on the right yan. Or maaring 1 on the left, 3 on the right. Pero itong apat lahat, direct mo yan. And if you did this within your first 14 days, ang kita mo 161 euro. Second 14 days naman, inassign mo yung apat na kumuha rin ng tig-apat. Of course, with your help. Hindi pwede ritong kinuha mo lang, iiwanan mo. Tulungan dito. Then, itong second batch na, you earn 144. Kahit hindi na ikaw ang direct niyan. Same thing gagawin nila on the third batch, kikita ka pa rin ng 576 euro. On the fourth batch, tiga-apat na naman yung mga taong yan, kikita ka pa dyan ng 2,304 euro. And nangyari to sa akin in 1 month. More than 2,000 euro. On my first month actually. Second batch or fifth batch, I mean, nagtiga-apat ulit. Now, kumita ka dyan ng 9,216 euro. And yung sumunod na batch, kumita ka dyan ng 36,864. Pag pinagsama-sama natin yan, total mo ay sa Philippine peso, kulang-kulang 3 million. Now dito, ang ating income ay merong isa pang na-attract na mas magandang swerte. Nakaka-achieve ka ng mga rank or position. Kapag ganito nakalaki yung kita mo, close to 3 million na, you will become a director 1 star. Kapag ganun ang position mo, okay, maraming benefit which I will discuss later. So yung 3 months na to, itong 3 million na to, ito yung estimate niya na average na 3 months mo magagawa. Well, kung nabibilisan kayo sa 3 months na hindi lahat nakakakumpleto ng tig-apat, then what will happen is yung 3 million na yan po pwede mong matrabaho at ng grupo mo in 6 months. O come to think of it, gawin na natin 1 taon para mabagal na mabagal. Kaya nyo kumita ng 3 million. Tiga-apat lang. Lahat ng taong isasama nyo kukuha ng tiga-apat. Ganun lang. 3 million. At napakarami na ritong nagkaganyan na kumita ng 3 million in a couple of months. Next is, another kitaan here is the matching bonus. Now, this matching bonus, guys, it works like this. Yung lahat ng mga na-introduce mo sa business, yung mga kinuha mo, mga direct mo yon, we will call them your first level. At yung mga kinuha nila na direct ng yung first level, we will call them your second level and so on, third and fourth and fifth level. Now, dito sa matching bonus, the moment na lahat ng mga taong yan ay kumikita sa binary, assuming na lahat yun naka 3 million, lahat ng pumasok sa network mo, sa grupo mo, sabihin natin in 6 months or in 1 year. So, with that guys, following the requirement, you will get 10% of their binary income. Yung kung magkano man yon, ay kung 3 milyon nga yung kinita ng bawat isa. Sabihin natin sa loob ng 1 taon. So that meron kang 300,000 sa isang tao. sa matching bonus yon. Iba pa yung kinita mo dun sa kaninang diniscuss ko. Kung ikaw yung kumita ng 3 million din, plus pa the matching bonus. Eh, sa isang tao lang yon. What if you have, let's say, 100 katao lang na kumita ng ganong tigta 3 milyon? Di may 100 tao ka na tigti 300,000 ang kita mo sa matching bonus. Now, the good news guys, itong binary bonus, matching bonus, it works real time. The moment na ginawa yung transaction, ngayon din pasok sa phone mo. So there will be a possibility for you to earn every minute, every hour, or every second. Pwedeng mayat maya. At ang maganda niyan, may hatid pa siyang magandang sounds. May caching sa na sound sa cellphone mo, parang cash register. Can you just imagine guys kung gaano patatakbo yung ating account, okay, with that 10%. Now, another kitaan here is the fear of loss. Now, fear of loss is a one-time income lang naman, wherein kapag nag-sign up ka, there will be a 14-day timer. Magsa-start yan on the day you signed up, na kailangan within 14 days kumuha ka ng apat na mga invite mo na magpa-pay in na of course. And if they will pay or get the white package, ang kikitain mo dyan ay 125 euro. Then kung black ang napa-sign up mo, 375 euro. Kung gold, 1,005 euro. Kung apat na titanium, 3,150 euro. Now guys, having this epic promotion, hindi po babayaran sa'yo yung let's say commission mo dun sa black kung siya ay na-upgrade lang. So that means nagbayad siya sa white which is 6,000, 125 lang ang makukuha mo sa fear of loss. Kailangan klaro tayo doon. Okay? Doon nakadepende ang ibibigay na commission sa'yo doon sa ibabayad nila. Okay? Hindi doon sa kung saan sila na-upgrade. Alright? Then, another thing guys, dito, lahat ng ating kinikita, 70% ang napupunta doon sa ating account balance. Once na makita mo sa account balance yan, meaning pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw agad-agad. Basta pumasok yan dyan. And the remaining 30% will be converted into Crowd 1 rewards. Kaya dito, first mong nagawa ang Crowd 1 rewards nung bumili ka ng package. Second way kung paano ka magkaroon ng Crowd 1 rewards ay yung 30% ng iyong kinikita. And what else? Ang ating kita ay lumalabas sa ating dashboard or back office in a form of business points. Then, as we are doing, madali lang namang i-calculate. Kung ano man yung nakikita mo, 1,000 business points, that means kunin mo yung 10% nun and that is 100 euro. So, ganun lang kadali. Why are we doing it? Kasi nga, dahil sa mga tie-up ni company, ni Crowd1 sa ibang company na naka-base, especially si LifeTrends na sa US, pag nag-release ng income yan in dollars. So, not to confuse, kaya ginawa lahat in business points. Okay? Next, let's go to another income stream here. We call this streamline bonus. At ito yung pinaka-exciting dito. Why? Ito yung pangatlong pamamaraan na ikaw ay makakakuha ng maraming Crowd1 rewards. Initially, hindi ka pa nagsisimulang magtrabaho rito at inabutan ka ng Wednesday, you will start collecting 1.25 rewards. Diba? Ang ganda. Hindi ka pa kumikilos. But of course, we don't encourage you to be just complacent with that. Kailangan mag-invite ka ng marami para mas marami kang makuhang rewards. So as you invite one person, magiging 2.5 rewards na yan. If you increase it, magiging 3.75 and so on to a maximum of 1,125 Crowd1 rewards. Pero may mga requirement ito. So like yung white, maximum mo lang makukuha ay 5 rewards. Kung black package, maximum mo ang 37. Kung gold, may mga requirement kasi siya. And sa training natin siya dinidiscuss. Just to give you an idea, okay, na may ganitong kitaan ng streamline bonus. Now, meron din akong konting idadagdag. With regard to Crowd1 rewards na as I was saying earlier, ito ginagamit na basis pagdating sa profit sharing. Okay? Now, dito kailangan paramihan tayo ng reward para dumating yung time na talagang totally ano na lang tayo, retired na at wala na tayong gagawin kundi mag-enjoy. We have to make sure na sobrang marami na tayong na-collect na rewards. Si Renz nga, balita ko, gusto ro niyang makaipon 3 million rewards. Dito, kung ang reward mo konti pa lang, hundreds or thousands pa lang, huwag ka munang maging masaya doon kasi mas marami marami pang Crowd1 rewards. Now, as of the moment guys, ang rewards natin ay valued at 2 euro ang isang reward. We are actually expecting or hoping na itong Crowd1 rewards nito will increase in value kasi last year these rewards are worth 10 cents lang. Only this year, naging 2 euro. Hopefully naman by next year, magiging 3 euro na. 5 euro in the coming few years. And probably by 5 or 10 years from now, pwedeng maging 10 euro na siya. And that's probably the time na baka dumating din yung trading platform. Kasi sabi, may maturity din to eh. Wherein we can also sell our Crowd 1 rewards. Pero hindi ngayon. Anong gagawin sa'yo ng Crowd 1 rewards mo na ibebenta mo 150 or 500 rewards times 2, that is only magkano? 1,000 euro. Hindi ka pa yayaman yan. So ito pang future ang ating Crowd 1 rewards. Anyway, to continue, the last part of the income stream is this income from live trends, wherein we call this customer sales bonus. Remember, as you invite your friends, relatives, kahit na hindi member ni Crowd 1, nagpa-book, okay, i-discuss din natin yan sa training, you will get 15% commission doon sa kanyang kung magkano yung binayaran. And then, meron pang 25% na active user pool na kung saan ito ay i-distribute naman every quarter. Who will share the active user pool? Ang mag-share sa active user pool, yung mga customers na napabook mo at yung mga sponsors. Now, si sponsor ay required lang na mag-maintain ng at least isang package or service na na-avail, meaning nag-book ka rin within that 3-month period. And yung active user pool, quarterly ibibigay. Yung customer sales bonus, yung 15% monthly naman siya i-release sa'yo. Now, another good thing here, kapag ikaw ay platinum member, yung nagbabayad ka ng 59 for 12 months, $59, then you will get 2 shares. Dalawa yung shares mo dito sa active user pool. At the same time, kapag ikaw ay mayroong mga 5 na invite na nakapag-book, may dagdag ka pang 5 share. So total of how much? 7? 7 shares lahat yung magiging parte mo sa active user pool. Okay? Now, the rest of this, yung 60% na kinita ni Life Trends, saan yan dadalhin? Dadalhin ulit yan doon sa pie ni Crowd1 na kung saan yung kinita ni Crowd1 sa lahat ng mga companies, dinidistribute niya yung 20% sa kanya para sa operation, 40% yung ating profit sharing every 3 months, 40% yung monthly residual bonus. At ito yung tinatawag nating pension. Now, ito yung pinaka-last pala. By the way, this residual or long-term residual income ay para lang sa lahat ng mga active at may mga ranking. We have 7 ranks here. At bawat isang rango ay merong 3 sub-levels. Like TL, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and then coordinator, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and so on. Tapos manager, director, president, senior president, ambassador. Bawat isang position like TL1 star, madaling mahit ang rango na to. You just have to earn 500 binary points. In points ito, that means 50 euro ang total mong kinita. Doon sa binary, yung 1:3 or 1:2. Once na na-reach mo yon, TL1 star ka agad. Now, the good news here, hindi mo kailangan bumalik sa simula on your second month o kung ano man. Basta ito, padagdag ng padagdag ang income mo, hindi tinatanggal yung previous mong, let's say, production. So, yung 50 mo, dagdagan lang ng another 50, that's already 100, and you will become PL2 star, and so on and so on. Now, as you remember yung kanina, dun sa 4x4, na kung saan total mong kinita, 3 million, I am talking about a director 1 star level na nasa pool number 10 na kung saan 500,000 binary points na ang total mong kinita or 50,000 euro times mo sa 60, that's 3 million. Yun yung sinasabi ko, na hit mo no, muna yung director position. Now, imagine, director 1 star ka, kumita ka na total ng 3 million at wala ditong demotion. And dito sa residual, doon sa iyong pool number 10 na kinalalagyan, maaring ko konti kayo. As I heard, parang less than 100 pa lang ang director. Kaya't yung director natin ay nakakuha ng residual income. Let me just give you nung August, yung level number 10, 550 euro. Imagine, pensionado ka na and this will be forever. Nung September, medyo tumaas na siya, naging 602. And guys, mind you, wala pa dito si Mixer, wala pa rin si Lotto. So for sure, next year, mas mataas na to. We're actually expecting to have it doubled or maybe tripled or even more than that. Now, come to think of it, kung Director 1 star ganito, tinatrabaho mo lang, ba't hindi pa natin lubos-lubusin? Umakyat tayo. Pangalawang, Director 2-star, I mean. Nung September 15, kumita siya ng €1,160. Pero eto yung mas maganda. Yung president, I'm sorry, yung director 3-star, 2,400. Yung president 1-star, 5,000. Now dito, ang dami ng nag-president 2-star. Nasa level 14 na kung saan €9,393 ang kanilang monthly residual. Forever na to. Dadagdagan pa ni Mixer, how much more kung nagdatingan pa yung mga yan. Lalo na yung President 3-star, 16,500. Kulang-kulang 1,000,000 na to or maybe 1,000,000 na to mahigit. Okay na lang magtuos, €16,500. Kinita yan at magiging pension mo na. Next year guys, this will be a different story. Kaya lahat tayo umakyat habang kaya pa nating bilisan dahil kayang-kaya, achievable. Okay? Now, let's come now with our summary. Dun sa ating pinag-usapan guys, isa lang ang tandaan nyo. Basta't nag-join ka kay Crowd1 at tatrabahuhin natin ang gusto, sure mabubuhay lahat ng pangarap mo. Plus, meron ka ditong daily income, meron kang weekly Crowd1 rewards, meron ka pang monthly bonus kung ikaw ay may position, pension mo yon. Plus yung quarterly dividends, ito na lang pamigay mo sa charity kung gusto mo kasi ang laki na ng monthly mo. Just to give you a heads up, yung mga nasa director position, sinasabi naman to ng ibang host na nasa director 2 position, you will be earning 300 to 500,000 pesos monthly sa binary yon. Hindi pa yun doon sa residual income na sinasabi natin. Can you imagine kung gano'n nakalaki yung kita nyo? Then, you will also have your own hotel and resort booking engine with 15% commission. And then, you will also earn money every time you share our games. At ito na nga yan. Starting tonight, once na nandyan na yung ating spinner, let's start to share them. Then, you will also have your own mobile lotto outlet. Siguro mas lalong dito, ang gulo-gulo na sobrang excited lahat. Then, you will also get a free cruise ship travel incentive once na na-reach natin yung director position. Lahat ng nag-director noong August 1 ay kasama sa cruise sa Dubai ngayong darating na December. And marami pa siya next year, kaya bilisan na natin ngayong taon na to. Let's get to a director position or even better, gawin na nating president. Let's go president, sabi nga ni Renz. Now, once you have that higher package, higher rank, then you will also be included with this bucket list na kung saan, sabi nga, you will also live like the rich and famous and a lot more. Now guys, apart from this, eto lang yung masasabi namin. Lahat kami na mga nagsimula dito sa negosyong ito, okay, when we joined here, we already know why we should do the business. We already decided, okay, to achieve our goals. And because of that, kailangan naming mag-attend ng mga trainings na ina-offer ng company at kailangan naming mag-attend ng mga webinars kagaya nito so that it will deepen our knowledge kung paano gawin ng business. And then, of course, we make an action plan and we also took action. And then, from time to time, we always review our action. Dito, hindi ka nag-iisa na gagawin. Ang dami mong kasama, isang team, plus we are continuously being mentored by our mentor, Mr. Peter Jacobson, every Sunday. And here at Crowd1, we always say that impossible is nothing. Ito lang po yung aking masasabi rin, konting sharing. When I started this business nung March 21, na lockdown pa, okay, this was actually shared to me initially by our mentor, Sir Ed Ting. January pa yon. Medyo inignore ko din nung time na yon kasi akala ko kagaya nung iba. Ganun naman ang tao, marami namamatay sa akala. Then here comes Eric, na alam ko naman nung nag-message na sa akin, sabi ko malamang inutusan to ni Sir Ed Pero hindi ko pa rin siya pinansin. Kaya lang, no choice na ako nung na-lockdown kasi no work, no pay. I was once a call center agent. At yung aking kinikita, being a call center agent, akala ng iba kasi malaki yung sweldo. Which is, totoo naman compared to other local employment. Pero dahil malaki yung pamilya ko, tsaka alam nyo naman ngayon ang bilihin, kulang at kulang. That's why, ayoko magkwento, pero naiiyak ako kasi at my age, tinanggap ko na rin yung reality na ilang taon na lang, magsi-60 na ako. And how about pag nag-retire na ako, na wala akong savings, gasino na yung SSS, magkano lang naman yon. Ni wala pa akong nabibiling pangarap ko. Wala, nabasag lahat eh. Bumagsak lahat yung mga pangarap ko noong pang mga unang panahon before I entered call center industry. Inilibing ko na yun lahat sa hukay. And nung dumating to, and ituloy ko lang, nung nasa call center ako, naka-program na yung utak ko na sabi ko, pag retired ko, makikiusap na lang ako doon sa, ayun, yung isang farm na doon ako makikitira. Magtatayo ako ng kubo, as in bahay kubo. Kasi masakit mangarap ng malaki tapos hindi ko kayang gawin. And sabi ko mag-aalaga na lang ako ng mga manok, mag-aalaga na lang ako ng baboy, tapos magtatanim ako ng gulay-gulay to probably survive until the end of my life. Kasi mahirap namang iasa natin yung future sa mga anak dahil sila meron din kanilang pamilya. And gano'n siya kalungkot pero ang mas malungkot sa'kin yung ano, yung sa'kin hindi ako maiiyak dun, eh. Having that kind of life, kasi sanay na ako, eh, dun ako lumaki sa hirap. So, it doesn't matter to me. Kahit pa sabihing humingi-hingi na lang ako until I die, sabi ko tanggap ko yun, eh. Pero yung parang masakit tanggapin sa'kin, yung ayokong mawala na lang ako sa mundo na wala akong nagawang maganda para sa anak ko. Yung ayokong danasin nila yung mga pinagdaanan ko, ayokong pagdaanan nila yung hirap. Now when this business came, nabuhay yung pag-asa ko na hindi lang yung pangarap ko na magkaroon ng sarili kong bahay, hindi lang yung pangarap kong makabili ako ng sariling sasakyan. Ano yun, eh, mga walang kwenta yun, nonsense para sa akin yung mga dreams na yun. Pero ang pinakamahalaga sa akin yung mabigyan ko ng magandang buhay yung aking mga anak. Yung ayokong mawala sa mundong ito na nawala silang magandang kinabukasan, eh. So, when I met this business guys, 2.5 months kinita ko yung isang taong kong sweldo sa call center, yung 300,000 plus. Kaya ako naging manager 1 star noong June. And eto pa yung idadagdag ko, habang ginagawa mo yung business na 'to, this is not just about earning money. This is not just about making a living, but this is more about changing other people's lives. Sobrang natutuwa ako kasi ang dami ko po ngayong kasama na mga dating hopeless na rin na kagaya ko, age 60, na dati sila kahit paano maginhawa yung buhay. Pero ngayon, nung especially nung pandemic, halos yung pagkain nila hindi nila alam kung saan nila kukuhanin. But because of this business, alam mo bang kumikita and coordinator, 1 star na sila. Marami na sa kanilang naghahabulan sa mga gano'ng position and I'm so much happy kasi hindi lang ako yung unti-unting nabago yung buhay, kundi yung mga taong isinasama ko sa negosyong 'to. So, I don't wanna be too much emotional, guys. Medyo ewan ko ba ba't ako napakuwento. So, before I take too much of your time, I would like to request our mentor na siya yung laging naka-guide sa atin, sa akin din especially, Mr. Ed Ting, can kindly share your inspiration. Ayoko na umiyak.
Tatlo itong magkakasabay na webinar. Actually, nilabas ko na yung dalawa kasi sabi ko mukhang umiiyak na si Merly. Friends, no? Kung minsan, hindi lang minsan, madalas iniisip ko, paano ko kaya magigising yung mga tao of awareness, no? Kasi bata pa ako, natuklasan ko na yung maraming mga bagay na hindi nyo matututunan sa maraming bahay, sa maraming families, sa maraming schools, sa buong educational years nyo, hindi matututunan even sa iba't ibang institutions na ang lahat ng yun po ay aking nasa liksik. I'm a seeker actually at a very young age. And in the process, ganito po yun eh. Habang matututo kayo, parang lalo nyong na-realize na ang dami po palang dapat matutunan. Kayo ba, kayo ba, did it ever occur to you? Have you experienced it? Yung parang, as you uncover, as you learn something new, parang yung mind mo nag-expand, wow, ang dami pa pala. Kaya, eventually, nagiging humble ang tao eh. The more one learns, the more he becomes humble because ang dami palang dapat matutunan. Kaya nga yung mga taong mga arrogant, yung mga ayaw na magbasa, ayaw na makinig ng training, ayaw na umattend ng mga seminars, di ba? Parang alam nila lahat. Tapos isa lang ang pinakinggan nila, correct? I mean, di ba? Pero pag inisip nyo nga, pag nilagay nyo sa bilog, isang circle, yung lahat ng kaalaman sa mundo, okay? Tapos you start to ask yourselves, how much of the available knowledge in the world ang alam nyo? Alam nyo, wala pang that. Okay? Tapos yung alam niyo hindi nyo alam, of course, mas marami yon, ano? Alam niyo hindi nyo alam pa paano magtayo ng building, magpagaling ng may sakit, yung mga ganon. So pag pinagsama niyo yung what you know, that you know, and what you know that you do not know, wala pa po siyang that sa isang malaking circle. Hindi ho 1%, ha? It's not even 1%. It's a dot. It's not even a dot, okay? So, ano po yung category ng mga bagay na hindi natin alam? Yun nga yung tinatawag na you do not know that you do not know. Correct? So, kaya like ako, ang dami, alam ko hindi lahat ng tanong sa mundo malalaman natin ang sagot. Pero the good thing is, yung mga critical information like the science of success. Alam ko na po yun, master ko yun. The science of getting rich. Alam ko na yun. Pinag-aralan ko talaga yun, matindi. And then yung universal laws, universal principles na nakalatag yan sa buong mundo. Believe it or not, nakalatag po. Kaya meron dyan law of cause and effect, di ba? Law of gravity. Marami po yan. Pero hindi naman tinuturo yan sa atin eh. Kaya tutuklasin natin. Kaya lang kung wala tayong time, wala tayong pera para magtuklas. Ako po yung private library ko, which eventually bubuksan ko ulit sa public kasi I used to open this. I mean, pag sabihin public to my friends, okay? Some of my friends from abroad, believe it or not, they flew all the way to the Philippines just to visit my library. In fact, they stay for a couple of days, okay? Sometimes in my house and I allow them to stay. Doon natutulog sa library ko. Sabi nila, wow, where else can I find all these books na, you know, hindi nyo makikita in one place. And these are books about practical subjects. Wala po rito yung mga history. May mga historical books pero more on success. Ito po yung mga foundational books ng mga richest people in the world. Okay? So, what do I do? Ano yung alam kasi yung pong ating mission sa buhay, hindi po totoo na yun ang calling mo eh. I mean, wag po tayong maging naive. Sinasabi na ito yung calling. Kasi kung yan sabi nyo calling mo, paano yung mga servants, yung mga kasambahay, yung mga janitors, yung mga messengers, yun ang calling nila? My goodness. Wag naman tayong mag-hearse sa iba. Yung sinasabi mong calling mo, ikaw tumawag nun eh, based dun sa awareness mo eh. Just like, ba't ang profession mo, nurse ka o engineer ka o kaya policeman ka o kaya anak ka ng gobyernong opisyales, kasi tatay mo, nanay mo, nasa politika eh. Tatay mo, pulis eh. Nanay mo, whatever. So tayo, yung pong ating exposure, ang siyang nagbibigay sa atin ng malaking factor kung ba't yun ang pinipili natin. Okay? Now, ako challenge ko, just like what I said earlier, challenge ko po ang lahat ng mga tao kasi sabi ni scam. Sabi ko, yung halimbawa, ikaw nasa government, ang nilalagay mo dyan, mga kamag-anak mo, mga kaibigan mo, pinapwesto mo, binibigyan mo ng kapangyarihan, binibigyan mo ng kono, no? Hindi ba scam yan? Bakit? Ang government ba, ano ba ito? Family business ba yan? Ba't may gawa ang family business? And that's happening everywhere, no? In many provinces, di ba? Even in the national government. Parang ano yan? Di ba scam yan? Di ba pinakamalaking scam yan? Ang daming scam eh. Yung ginagawa po ng ibang mga institutions without going into details, mga scam. Pero, ito may mga taong they're so proud, ang yabang nila, pag inintroduce yung ganitong concept, ayaw nila. Bakit? Kasi nagkataon, kamag-anak sila nung nasa gobyerno, o kaya kaibigan sila. So, nagne-network kaya sila, 'di ba? Naging secretary of ganito siya, secretary ng ganun. Bakit? Kasi nga connected siya tapos nagne-network kaya sila. Kaya payaman sila ng payaman. Ang sinasabi ko, sa mundong ito, kailangan huwag tayo maging naive. Okay? Meron pong sinasabing life is not fair. Totoo yun eh. Huwag niyong pagtakpan na. Totoo yun. Pero sa kabilang banda, life is fair. Bakit po? Kasi hindi alam ng hindi alam ng maraming tao. Lahat po ng taong pinanganak, okay? Lahat ng taong pinanganak na walang congenital mental challenge, pwede pong yumaman. Pwede makagawa ng paraan. Pwede sigurong may physical limitation dahil hindi pwedeng sumali sa beauty contest, di ba? Ang pangit eh. I mean, unfair. Sino ba sa inyo ang ginusto nyo ganyan ang mukha nyo? Siguro yung mga gwapo, magaganda, pero yung mga pangit, maliliit, di ba? Huwag nyo sabihin hindi kayo nangarap na maging matangkad kayo. Correct? Kung maging maganda, gwapo kayo, di ba? Ito lang. Pero, mag-isip ka ngayon. Kasi ang maganda nito, kahit na medyo may physical limitation, okay? Pero, kasi ang lipunan talagang discriminating, di ba? Ako po, nakakita ako nung nag-aaral ako, nagtatrabaho nung sa Makati sa Ayala. Kung minsan pumapasyal ako dun sa may the quad noon, yung may lugar doon na open space. Nakita ko ang dami nakapila, mga 100, nakapila yung lahat. Tapos may nakatayo doon sa harapan, nag-check. Nakatayo, inoobserbahan ko. Ang unang tinatanggal, yun eh, mga sales people, okay, mga frontline, sabi ba mga supermarket, department store. Sabi ko, wow, sino yung unang tinatanggal? Yung mga pangit. I'm telling you straight, yung mga pangit, yung mga pandak na wawala. Kitang obvious eh, naiiwan yung may tsura. So, talagang makikita nyo, di ba? Anyway, pero kailangan ma-realize natin na bawat isa sa atin, okay, meron po tayong potential at saka tinatawag nating power. Meron po. Akala nyo lang wala. Meron. Ako, maaga pa, natuklasan ko na yun eh. Bata pa ako, natuklasan ko na. Hanggang sa naging curious ako. Ang masarap po hanggang ngayon, curious ako eh. To the point na mahilig ako mag-adventure. Ay, pinasok ko nga yung pelikula, movie industry. Naging producer po ako tsaka director. Okay? So, marami po ako mga pinapasok ng mga fields just to find out for myself what's happening inside. We together? Nagturo ko sa university. Part-time. Nagtrabaho ko sa Ayala. Nagtayo ko ng iba't ibang mga traditional business. So, matindi. Nag-travel ako around the world. Okay? Lumakad ako sa apoy 5, 6 times. Yung apoy po, kayo imagine niyo, kayo maglakad kayo, batuhin nyo ng bakal yun, sunog. Kayong smartphone nyo, kahit globe pa yan, kahit anong phone yan, ilagay nyo doon sa sunog. Pero pag lumakad po kayo na may tsinelas, sunog pati paan nyo. Okay? Pag lumakad kayong may sapatos, sunog rin. Pero pag lumakad kayong nakayapak, hindi nasusunog. So meron kayong hindi alam. May mystery, correct? And that's very true. Okay. So, marami po akong mga pinag-aralan, natutunan. Ang maganda, ang aking pong objective o mission, hindi para lang sa sarili kong understanding or learning. Ang objective ko po is ma-share sa mga tao, okay? Ma-share. Yan po ang gusto ko. Ito na po, itaga nyo sa bato. Ito na yung aking mission. I-monitor nyo ang buhay ko. Matagal na po akong senior. Enjoy na nga. Medyo masama nga loob ko kasi sabi nila ililimit na raw, sabihin papayagan na ibang mga seniors na lumabas. Ako doon sa hindi papayagan, kasama ako doon sa hindi papayagan. Sabi ko, unfair. Meron diyan senior na 60, 61, naninigas na di ba? parang isa na lang ang pipirma, di ba? Ako malakas naman, bakit? So alam nyo, minsan yung utak ng mga nasa pwesto, ibang klase rin eh. Di ba? Anyway, ganito po, dalawang klase ang tao sa mundo. Yung mga ibang tao talaga magandang puso. Okay? Wala silang hidden agenda. Okay? Ang isa sa mga rito, yung founder tsaka yung CEO, talagang sobrang ganda ng puso nila kung ba't nila ni-establish ang company. Gusto nilang bigyan ng chance yung mga taong medyo kulang sa kayamanan at kulang sa kaalaman. Okay? Pero may mga taong, let's face it, talagang pera lang kung pera, di ba? Sobrang wag tayong maging naive. Sabihin, ang buhay po palaging merong merong magkabilang side. Life is not fair, life is fair. Magkasama yan. Di ba? Ang life is fair pag marunong tayo. Katulad ko po, nanggaling ako sa sobrang hirap ng buhay. Talagang naggagapang ka sa susumpain mo mundo pagka pinanganak. Ganon. Pero bata pa ako, nabuksan ang isip ko eh. Kasi napansin ko, bakit ganito yung utak ng mga mahihirap? Tsaka utak ng mayayaman. Iba eh. Diba? Doon pa lang na-realize ko, kaya pala ganyan ang buhay nila dahil may diferensya ang utak. Kaya hindi ka, alam ba, katulad nyo palagi kong binabanggit ito kasi gusto kong maunawaan ninyo. Okay? Yung mundong ito, tingnan niyo yung paligid, eroplano, okay, kotse, barko, computer, laptop, etc. etc. Lahat po lang yan, nung magsimulang gawin yan o i-experiment, wala pa pong libro, walang knowledge available, wala. Alam lang, wala talaga. Okay? Pero saan ang galing yung mga yan? Paano sila natuto? Ito po, pakinggan nyo kasi itong concept na to, itong principle na to, pareho din po sa principle ng pagyaman. Okay? Ngayon, nag-observe yung Wright brothers, nag-observe sila, naging aware sila, lumilipad yung ibon. Pwedeng gayahin. Na hindi ng tao, kasi ang tao paano lipad, walang pakpak. Okay? So nag-isip sila, nag-imagine sila, at naniwala silang pwede. Okay? Nung maniwala silang pwede, nag-experiment na sila, hanggang sa one day, naka-imbento na sila. Nung na-imbento na nila, nagawa nila aeroplano, hindi na paniniwala po, naging kaalaman, knowing. Ngayon, kailangan po yung paniniwala natin sa simula lang yun. Kasi yung mayayaman ngayon, ang nakikita nyo yung anak ng mayayaman, yung Jaime Augusto, yung anak nila Henry C., di ba? Mayayaman niya. Sa buong mundo, iba't ibang mga mayayaman, correct? Ang nakita nyo yung mga susunod na henerasyon na. Okay? Kaya pag sinabi nyo, yung mga yan, umuutang yan eh. Okay? Katulad ng gobyerno, ang kaibahan lang, ang gobyerno, ang magbabayad ng utang. Hindi yung pamilya nila eh, correct? Ang mayayaman pong negosyante, magbabayad, uutang yung mga yan. Okay? Mga utang ng ina nila, umutang yan. Pero ang magbabayad sila rin, pamilya. Yun ang kaibahan sa gobyerno. Ang gobyerno, utang ng ina, okay? Ang magbabayad, mga henerasyon natin. Mga anak natin, mga apo natin po ang magbabayad. Hindi yung lahi ng mga politicians. Hindi po. Nakita niyo ba yung mga mayayamang politicians kahit na nag-retire na, sobrang yayaman na? Di ba? Nakikita niyo ba 'yon? So yun ang kaibahan ng So hindi ba 'yon? Hindi ba ang tawag doon scam? Ini-scam tayo. Kaya masama loob ko kasi yung mga anak ko parang gusto na nilang pag nagtayo na sila ng sariling family, gusto nila outside the Philippines. Sabi nga, sukang-suka na sila sa nangyayari. Kasi nga, generation nila magbabayad ng mga utang ng mga left and right nandito sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Parang ang sakit eh. Kaya hindi ko mapigilan. Ibuhay nila yun eh. Anyway, balik tayo rito. Itong business na to, sa totoo lang, this is the best. Itong industry na ito. Kasi dito, alam mo, sa government, di ba? Kaya ka mga kasingit dyan kasi, o mga kalusot ka kasi nagkataon. Kamag-anak ko nung nasa gobyerno, o kaya nagkataong, di ba? Paborito ka or whatever, kaibigan ka, di ba? Kung wala kang kaibigan dyan, ordinary citizen ka lang, anong chance mo? Anong connection mo? Dito po, kahit wala kang connection, ang dami ko nang alam ng mga taong walang connection sa ganitong industry na very successful. Kulang sa pinag-aralan, grade 5 lang. Hindi lang ngayon yan nangyayari in the past. Yung mother na battered, yung sampal dito, sampal doon ng asawa. Ang daming ganun ha. Pero naging very successful na turnaround ng buhay. So, dito kasi kaya nagustuhan nito, itong industry nito, itong business na to, lahat ng klase ng tao po pwede rito. Okay? Bakit po? Kasi una, may built-in support system, may coach. Kayo pakinggan niyo yung mga webinars na everyday dito. Parang sabi nga nung iba, wow. Sabi ng isang foreigner na babae, hindi siya nakatapos ng college, na ang lakas niya ngayon, nag-spread siya around the world, yung bigay ng testimony. Okay? Ang dami niya natututunan dito about life, about success. Grabe. Di ba? So continuous ang education, tapos marami pa kayong magiging mga friends, tapos yayaman pa kayo, marami kayong matutulungan. Grabe. Wala kayong pwedeng mapuntahan ganun, na ganito. Okay? So friends, get into the system. Sabi nga nung speaker kanina, pasok na kayo sa system, gawin nyo na. What is 6,000? library ko nga may 14 million ang laman. Okay? 6,000 pesos, parang ang tagal mag-isip. Ang buhay po simple lang And then meron po tayong sinasabing universal principle na you have to act before you're ready. Kasi there is no such thing as a perfect situation. Wala po. You act before you're ready. Alam nyo, meron niyang implication. Kasi the moment you believe in something, ito po, proven to. Hindi to lang based sa experience ko. Proven to. Science po to. Once you believe in something, you have the burning desire and the sense of urgency plus the decision to commit, to become successful, whatever it takes. Ito na po, ang universal laws or principles nag-a-apply na yan. Mga kababayan, gusto kong ma-realize nyo, ang universal laws and principles po ay patas, neutral. Kaya magugulat ka bakit yung iyong kapitbahay, hindi naman kasing madasalin mo o maka-Diyos na katulad mo, na religyoso. Bakit? Naiiwanan kanya ng alikabok Bakit? Very successful siya. Correct? Bakit? Marami pong... Ako, ang lino sa akin, kasi ako po, pinag-aralan ko lahat ng perspectives. Lahat ng anggulo, tinitingnan ko. Hindi lang isa. Kasi very dangerous pag yun lang alam ninyo, yun lang natutunan nyo mula ng pagkabata hanggang sa pagtanda, hanggang ngayon, walang improvement. Ano nangyari sa inyo? Tapos very proud pa kayo, parang alam na ninyo. Walang mangyayari po. Kaya sabi nila, ang minimum requirement for success is continuous learning. Sino ang continuously learning? Sino naghahanap ng coach? Okay? Di ba yung mga mayayaman, yung successful, hahanap ng mentor, coach, mag-abide sila. Ang excuse na mahirap, wala kasi silang pambayad Pero alam po ninyo, yung mayayaman ngayon, okay, yung mga magulang nila, nung magsimula, wala ring pera. Pero naniwala sila. Di ba? Yung paniniwalang yon, yun ang kanilang puhunan. Okay? Ngayon, hindi na naniniwala, knowledge na. Pero pag kayo, hindi pa kayo yumaman, ang puhunan nyo paniniwala. Hindi nyo pwede sabing alam nyo knowledge. Wala nga, kaya hindi mayaman Pero yung mayayaman, kahit maging mahirap pa ulit yan, alam na nila. Okay? Kasi na-experience na nila, nagawa na nila. Mga kababayan, sana maramdaman nyo yung aking desire na gusto ko talagang makatulong sa mga tao. At ako po, gusto kayong matulungan kasi pag natulungan ko kayo, mas marami tayong matutulungan around the world. Okay? So, God bless all of us.